I'm playing Fantasy MMA at DraftKings.com. What's up, fight fans? I have been working on this motherfucking Unstoppable presser video for over a week. Holy fucking shit. But in the words of Timberland, I never should have left you without a dope beat to step to. So while you wait for Unstoppable, here's a fan request video. Nate Diaz giving shoutouts for exactly 2 minutes. Let's do this shit! Real quick shout out to all my boys back in Stockton. Nick, Gil, Jake, Caesar, Robocop, Dunkaroos for being the only snack food that was inspired by kangaroos, The Undertaker, James and the Giant Peach, Paper Clips, Signatures for being our names, Maya Angelou, the Cincinnati Bengals, the month of October, Microwaves for cooking food with magic, Czechoslovakia, Barbra Streisand, Pancakes, Ketchup for being liquid tomatoes, Eminem both the food and the person, Pumas both the shoe and the animal, Plato both the philosopher and the toy, Badgers, Cantaloupes, Mariska Hargitay, Falcons for being majestic and mysterious as fuck, Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, Clouds for giving rain a place to live, Donkey Kong's Jungle Beat for the Wii, Mittens, Botany, Robert Downey Jr. because fuck Captain America, Wheels, Copper, Colons, both the organ and the punctuation mark, Queen Latifah, Submarines, both the underwater vessel and the sandwich, Outer Space, the show Archer, Emerald Lagasse for cooking delicious food while entertaining America, Turtles, the board game Clue, the internet for giving us cats, David Copperfield, both the book and the magician, Watches for not being relevant anymore but still fucking being a thing that exists, Vegan Bacon, Dashboards, Hook, both the movie and the song by Blues Traveler, Scarlett Johansson, Voltaire, Apple Pies, Guile theme from Street Fighter 2, those little carts attached to motorcycles, breakfast being the first thing we eat, William Wallace, both the person and the fictional character, taxis, candles for being fire we can carry with us, trolley, Super Nintendo controllers, Space Mountain, orangutans, Kristen Stewart for only making one face their whole fucking life, Barney, both the dinosaur and the caveman, Thursdays, fireplaces, cucumbers for being crunchy and water at the same time, Harry S. Truman, wind chimes, Queen, both the title and the band, Daniel Radcliffe for being a magical wizard as fuck, North Dakota, and George Lucas for making the original Star Wars but then making the prequels but then finally giving that shit away so somebody can make a good Star Wars movie again. May the force be with you, motherfucker. Whoa!